Yes. Welcome again, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening, good whatever time you're listening to me right now. Yes, so today it's the weekend, so you don't know on the weekend we try to talk about entertainment stuff. Yeah, so right now we are look at skillibeng. Skillibeng, we are look at Alkaline top prize album. We're going, you know. Chip clock. Yeah, vybz kartel, chip a clock. Yeah, big tune. Yeah, man, so basically we just are reasoning about it, them thing they were going right you know, in the dancehall scene. It's a good look for the dancehall business, good look for the music. Skillibeng, him a go on good. Collab with Nicki Minaj, it's a good look. And then now we hit the British Billboard chart. So yeah man, the thing a go on good. The music look good. Music look good. If you see young youth a get so much buzz, him a get in big break, you know. Do some international collaborations and thing. You know what I mean? So it's a good look for dancehall, as always. When you see the youth then rise up and start doing great things, it's always a good look. Yeah. Alkaline, top prize album, me see it a go on good too. They'll get a lot of tractions too. Yeah man, the album a sell. It's a good album. I haven't listened all of the songs on it. I listened a couple of the songs on it. Um, it's a good album. Good album to really sit and listen. You know. And Skillibeng, what's going on for him is good too. So in general, the music is looking good. vybz kartel, he drop a couple new songs and that one the chip clock, that one they are going good too. The only thing what me see now going good you know is some whole heap of back and forth we me see with some bloggers, some YouTubers, you know, then going back and forth and arguing and saying, you know, Alkaline album no good and Skillibeng and you know all kind of mix up thing. Me no know if they keep it friendly or you know, but you don't know sometimes the fans them you know we take things too serious and then turn it into something we're not supposed to be. So my opinion, my point of view is make we just celebrate the music, you know. I think we should just celebrate say boy things are going for the artists them. You know, it's been a rough year. 2020 did bad, so hopefully 2021 can be more better for everyone. You know what I mean? So me no agree with the back and forth thing where the man them are going with and them a argue over Alkaline top prize album and them a say Skillibeng and them a say vybz kartel Gaza and which song bad and then just come. You know what I mean? My outlook on it is just to celebrate the music. Celebrate what's going on. And Bounty Killer now it might help cause a divisiveness with his statement too, where he must say, boy, he not support Alkaline, you know, Fishkaline or whatever I want to call him. You know, I mean, look up to Bounty as a grown man, as a legend in the business. So I don't think he should be really promoting them kind of thing they right now. Them kind of negative vibes. Just like you youth them go and do their music and, you know, celebrate the youth them music. I just say go. You know, have to be this bitterness and this divisiveness. You know, make you them go and do them thing, man. The music them a do them thing. You know, I think that help hold us back too, you know. We can reach farther, but sometimes we just hold back with oneself with this divisiveness and always want argue over foolishness to all me see it. You know what I mean? Listen the album, listen top prize album. You might find some song on the way you like. You're listening one them where you like. Support the youth them if you can support them. Skillibeng, listening, tune them. You know, streaming music, same way. Listen vybz kartel, good tune them. Same way. See Bounty Killer do a tune with DJ Khaled and you know on an international level. Them thing they look good for dancehall. So me honestly will support them kind of thing there. Support them kind of music there. What me no support is the divisiveness and the fighting and the you take things too serious, you know. Yeah, we don't want to youth them go back to Movado and vybz kartel days where they take a thing too serious until they start fighting one another. You know. We don't want them the kind of tribal war and them the something that we kind of stay away from, you know, over this society, so. Yeah, that's what me talk about. Yes or no, in a Jamaican society, we have too much away a fight down with one another from them time there. So, even everything, we always find a way to fight one another instead of lift up one another. You know what I mean? So, this now is a good look for the music. The music look good. Make we just enjoy music now. Make we just support the youth them now. Skillibeng, big up yourself. You hit the pop chart in a Britain, British pop chart. It's a good look. A great look. Collab with Nicki Minaj. A great look. Good look. Alkaline dropping top prize album. It's a good look. Bounty Killer DJ Khaled link up. It's a good look. vybz kartel drop couple new tune. It's a good look. Celebrate the youth them, celebrate the music, celebrate our culture. No matter with the whole heap of divisiveness, whole heap of tribal war. I know that we are different. Yeah man, we celebrate the music. And that are my final thought on that. Stay tuned, join me again for another episode. You don't know, say, like, support, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you like the content. Every day we try push out some new content. So go and just tune into the channel. Support the thing if you like it. If you not like it, that's how you go. Listen when you want to listen. Watch when you want to watch. But until then, everybody just enjoy the day, enjoy the hour to the hour Saturday. Saturday me I record this, so I don't know when you are listening, but whatever day you are listening this, just go and enjoy your day. Have a good day. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bless up on yourself. Walk good. Peace and love. Remember, we don't want no more divisiveness in our music. Me see youth them argue too much, somebody just want to say that. Get that off of my chest. Alright, big up on yourself. Bless up. Walk good. Stay safe.